Double the flavor for double the abs. Let's make carrot with ricotta and apple with prosciutto puff pastry appetizers. Roll puff pastry into two 8x16-inch sheets and cut each into 4x4 squares. Pierce 8 of the pastries all over with a fork, and remaining pastries score a 1/4-inch border and prick the inside. In a Le Creuset stainless steel sauté pan, add carrots, water, and season with salt and pepper. Bring to a boil, then cover until the carrots are tender. Add butter, honey, cumin, caraway, and lemon. Stir until the carrots are glazed, then set aside. In a stainless steel bowl, add ricotta cheese, feta, shallot, garlic, dill, lemon zest, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Give it a mix until it's combined. Brush egg wash on the pierced pastries, then place the diagonal of the ricotta mixture and arrange carrots over top. Fold the opposite points to overlap and hold with a toothpick. Brush the tops with more egg wash and bake in the oven until perfectly golden. And there you have carrot and ricotta puff pastry appetizers. Next, we'll melt butter with olive oil in a stainless steel frying pan. Add red onion and thyme, cook until caramelized, then deglaze with apple cider vinegar. Stir in brown sugar, add apple slices, and cook until slightly softened. Brush the borders of the puff pastry with egg wash, then sprinkle cheddar cheese in the center. Then arrange the onion and apple slices. Top with crumbled blue cheese and a couple of prosciutto roses. Bake until the prosciutto is crisp, cheese is melted, and edges puffed up. Top with microgreens and enjoy. Bon appetit!